Hi, I'm Reno. I'm a Tesla Model X owner, and I'm at the Tesla Lounge in Kettleman City on April 12th, Friday. We got a flat tire, and it was around 9:30, 10 p.m. that our tire went out. We were able to get to this off the freeway into the lounge, Tesla Super Lounge, and over here you can see that our car is being changed out in the rear tires. So if you're ever in Kettleman City, you call Rudy anytime because he changes out tires 24/7 on the spot. And Tesla roadside assistants didn't even know where to go for this. So, anyone wants his number, email me or reply to this thread and I'll let you know what his number is. So anyone going up and down the 5 in California, there's a guy who will change out tires 24/7 and will come to you. So I feel thankful that we were able to get to the lounge, and so Tesla owners, just be aware that if you get a flat tire on Kettleman City, call this guy. Peace.